game of the day features the USC Trojans taking on the Bruins of UCLA. Marquise Lee in motion. Barkley out of the shotgun on first down. This one picked off already. Hester out of bounds. Barkley throws his 14th interception of the year on the first play of the game. And the Bruins are in business. Franklin in motion out of the backfield. Over the middle, caught again. Jerry Johnson inside the 5.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Second down and goal at the 1. Here's Hundley looking, falls. Touchdown UCLA. And just like that, the Bruins are on the board.
Try not to give up much cushion to the wide receivers of USC.
Here's Curtis McNeil with running room. McNeil at the 40, up the sideline. Curtis McNeil rumbling. And he gains 34 yards on the play. Andrew Abbott there to make the stop. And Curtis McNeil in the backfield for SC. Lee in motion, low snap. Barkley under pressure, throws, incomplete. Here's a quarterback draw. Hundley gets a first down and out of bounds. Hundley in the shotgun with time. And Hundley finds Jerry Johnson for a first down.
And then running routes inside of them for completions.
Second down and 3. Jonathan Franklin with running room and another first down.
Split out wide to make you think that's where they were going, went to the opposite side.
Hundley again, 9th play of the drive. Johnson, first down and more. Here's Hundley to the sideline. There's your boy, Fourier. First down and 10 at the 26. Shaq Evans in motion. They throw it out wide to Thigpen, and Thigpen chopped down immediately by Dion Bailey. Hundley underneath this time to Shaq Evans, the Notre Dame transfer. He's 9 of 9, 57 yards. Third down and 8 at the 24. Hundley again to throw it. In trouble this time. And Hundley goes down. Jonathan Franklin in motion. Hundley. Caught by Shaq Evans at the 10. He put that one in a shoebox. A gain of 20 on 4th and 13. Dion Bailey makes the tackle. Over 7 minutes now. Johnson in motion. Here's a handoff. Franklin plowing through, and he'll get down to the SC1.
And look at how they fire off the football. I expect Franklin to come right back at you again.
And some movement, looks like on the right side of the...
False start by the offense, number 60.
Hundley throws a fade to Fourier, incomplete. TJ McDonald in the vicinity. And it's good for the Trojans. Here's the pitch to Marquise Lee, who lined up as a tailback. He's bottled up. Lee looking for a crevice and won't get it. Great pursuit by the Bruin defense, and they say they have the ball.
Lee dancing, trying to go to the ground. Ball gets popped free as his knees going to the turf. That'd be a difficult one for our replay officials to break down.
Is that the ball came loose prior to the runner's knee being down. It was recovered by UCLA. First down.
And the Bruins have it again by the Trojans early on. 3:03 to go, first quarter. Here's a handoff. Franklin bounces it outside. Franklin delivers a blow. Hundley lost one up. Caught! Touchdown Fourier! Uh-oh.
You would add a lot of arched eyebrows, wouldn't you?
Barkley to throw it. This time he finds his man, Marquise Lee. Nice move after the catch. Still going, and he's down for SC. Barkley, straight drop. Over the middle. Caught by his tight end, Xavier Grimble.
But how about this 3rd and 5 for USC?
And they'll run it. Get to the 25. They don't have enough for the first down. Curtis McNeil, the deep man in the backfield. Marquise Lee in motion, the play fake. Looking, incomplete. Jaleel Penner, the intended receiver. UCLA on top of SC in the 82nd meeting between these two teams. Jonathan Franklin trying to burst through.
Physically up front, creating large gaps for their running backs to get through.
Franklin again, making the first man miss, and he gains 11 yards. Jonathan Franklin back in the backfield. Here's Hundley. Steps up, in trouble, and goes down. Guess who again? Second sack of the day for Morgan Breslin. Desperately needs to get off the field on this 3rd down. Hundley flips it out. Franklin, first down! Wow! What an extra effort by the Mayor.
Let's see if they can work inside, work into the curl areas.
Watch Fourier in the slot at the bottom of your screen. Hundley looking, Fourier caught, first down.
And comes down with a first down catch.
14 first downs for the Bruins already. And Jonathan Franklin smelling end zone, touchdown! UCLA!
Right before, well, a little ways before the half, they've got to get something going. Otherwise, UCLA is all over them.
Matt Barkley, and he finds his receiver, Robert Woods, in space. And Robert Woods with the big grab at the 41. Barkley sprints out, throws on the run, caught. And that's the freshman, Nelson Aguilar. First down and 10 to the 33. Barkley, seam route, Aguilar, touchdown Trojans.
Last time you called Fourier in this situation.
Hundley to the sidelines, has a receiver, Shaq Evans. First down Bruins. Hundley in trouble. Hundley scrambling, and he's sacked for the 3rd time. Terrific pursuit. Anthony Sorrow finally getting there and dropping Hundley. Here's Barkley on the bootleg. Sets up. Robert Woods with the grab, and he goes out of bounds. And they'll hand it off to McNeil. First down and more. Curtis McNeil, jitterbugging. Barkley. Marquise Lee. And Marquise Lee submarining. Now Barkley. Scrambling. Throws on the run. Aguilar with the catch at the 20. Here's McNeil, Curtis McNeil, down at the 5. Eric Kendricks with the saving tackle. Curtis McNeil, the deep man. Barkley underneath, touchdown. Randall Telfer, the tight end. And USC counterpunching off the ropes. And that's the end of the first half with the score. UCLA 24, USC 14. Hundley in the first half, 16 of 19, 141 yards, and a touchdown. Bad snap, picked up, loose again. Ooh, wow, look at this. Touchdown SC. Unbelievable. George Uko finally landing on the football as the rain comes down in Pasadena. The Trojans right back in this game. force a turnover.
That was really an unforced error like tennis, but how about how they capitalized? And then after all that momentum, the extra point gets missed. Gun formation. If I'm USC, I get someone over the nose and challenge him for his first few snaps.
2nd down and 7. Shaq Evans with the catch and a 1st down as he gets inside SC territory. We saw
a double move in wet conditions can be a tough thing to guard for a defense.
2nd down and 9. Hundley with time over the middle. And it's caught. This time Devin Fuller. All right, here's Hundley. The other redshirt freshman breaks contain, gets out of the pocket and dumps it.
I believe you're now a quarterback, and he's continued to elevate his play since then.
Facing a 3rd down and 9. Hundley in trouble, and Hundley tripped up by TJ McDonald. 2nd down and 10 at the 13. Barkley short drop this time. Going up top. Marquise Lee incomplete. He got hammered. Tevin McDonald again. Third and 10. Here's Barkley. That one deflected and incomplete. Shaq Evans sits at the 40. Negretti had it blocked. And UCLA will have great field position. Kendricks with a hand on it at the 33. Hundley. Evans got it at the 10. 3 touchdowns. Hundley running it. Touchdown Bruins. USC faced with a 3rd down and 2 at the 33-yard line. Curtis McNeil in the backfield. Here's Barkley on 3rd and 2. Incomplete. And you just wonder. They had 2nd and 2, 3rd and 2, and they don't even attempt to run. Hundley to throw. Steps up. In trouble. Hundley sacked again. For the 5th time, the USC defense gets to him. Leonard Williams. Here's Hundley. Goes deep up the sideline. Deflected at the last moment. Terrific job. Here's Barkley to the sideline. Lee. Did he get? Yes, he did. 2nd down and 10. Here comes a blitz. Barkley over the middle. Caught. Marquise Lee at the 39. Play clock winding down. Barkley gets it off. Barkley to the sideline. Woods! Robert Woods goes up and gets it at tailback. Here's Barkley to Marquise Lee. And a flag on the play as Lee goes down at the 12.
Pass interference by the offense. Number 82 was blocking downfield.
3rd down and 23. Barkley hands it off. And Curtis McNeil got it away. Looks like a hand got on it. Did he have enough? No. UCLA takes over at their own 27. Franklin. And Franklin finally brought down by Hayes Pillard. Hundley. With pressure, Hundley has got to make a decision. Hundley lets it go. Incomplete. Broken up again by Josh Shaw. No flags on the play. Robert Woods will return. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful punt by Locke. Woods at the 10. Woods trying to get outside. Bottled up and taken down inside the 5. A 55-yard punt. McNeil again. And McNeil with the 1st down, still running. Barkley sets up. Down the field. Aguilar! Incomplete. Terrific defense by Aaron Hester. McNeil still running. McNeil fighting, and he gets a first down. This is a tough little guy.
Against Auburn, when he was at Florida, wasn't a regular field goal kicker. Yeah, he would move up.
Here's Barkley over the middle, and a diving grab by Robert Woods. Barkley, short drop. Intercepted by Kendricks. Matt Barkley throws his second interception of the day. Franklin around the corner, first down and more. And Franklin down at the USC 40, a 22-yard gain. Hundley over the middle. Shaq Evans. No, make that Devin Fuller. And he goes out of bounds. Barkley to McNeil. And McNeil, first down. Curtis McNeil, Zumwalt. Second down and 10 at the 33. Here's Barkley, the straight drop. Barkley in trouble, and Barkley sacked for the first time today. Anthony Barr make it number 12 on the season. He's the
Take a look at the coverage, which allows the pressure. Sheldon Price to the left of your screen, 22. 21, Aaron Hester to the right of your screen. Look at the coverage. That means Matt Barkley has nowhere to go with the football.
Here's Barkley. Steps up. Barkley looking. Lobs it up. Marquise Lee's got it. Inside the 30. What a great play by Matt Barkley. But can SC cash in the second half without shooting themselves? McNeil down inside the 15. First down. Here's Barkley. Underneath, Marquise Lee. Touchdown, Trojans. Barkley, he'll throw it in the end zone. Oh, what a catch! Robert Woods! Money! Flag on the play. Robert Woods climbed the ladder and ripped it down. 7:16 to play in the fourth. 31-28. Hundley, play fake. Hundley up the sideline. Beautiful toss.
There's no tucking in the horns of UCLA with Noel Mazzoni at the controls, playing the best way they know how.
Franklin. And Franklin still running. He gets a first down.
Brett Hundley.
Now Hundley running it with a crease. 2nd and 10. They hand it off James. And James goes nowhere. He actually loses yardage. Leonard Williams. Fourier, the receiver, in the slot at the bottom of your screen. He's been a go-to guy. Here's Hundley, looking that way! Fourier again! Franklin, first down, outside, up the sideline, the Mayor running, touchdown! UCLA! Time not on their side. Barkley airing it out. Marquise Lee out of bounds at the 40.
Forward, not anything getting behind them. They're going to take an extra couple of yards and back up in this situation.
Marquise Lee over the middle. And Lee. Barkley. Caught by his tight end, Telfer. And Telfer.
And over the nose in passing situations.
2nd and 7. Barkley, oh, he got clobbered as well. This time Anthony Barr will record the sack. Number 12. At the 26. Low snap. Picked up by McNeil. And Curtis McNeil. What a play as he gets to the 20. Andre Adari from 38 yards away. Oh, it's blocked! Loose. Recovered by SC. But UCLA, another big play by the Bruins. Sheldon Price blocks it. Their 6th block in 2 weeks. What do you do, cut his head off? As Coach Mora gets the Gatorade bath. Now the final play. With it, over the middle, caught, but not enough. And for the first time since 2006, the UCLA Bruins beat their crosstown rivals, USC, and they clinch the South title and a berth in the Pac-12 championship. Jim Mora in his first year, and he's got the magic going in Westwood.